Ah, the smell of spring. Hi, this is wildlife biologist Eric Orff with New Hampshire Fish and Wildlife. You know, there are so many senses that we forget about. One is the sense of smell. To me, May and June are the most smelling months of the year, but there are lots of different fragrances out there that you should be aware of. Sure, you go to the office and one of your coworkers may have a certain fragrance, and you certainly know the smell of a skunk. How about when you go to grandma's house? Doesn't that smell different? Or a trip to the beach? Or how about if you visit somebody that's in a nursing home? We have smells all around us in our habitat that we have learned, but probably not paid attention to. My whole life as a wildlife biologist for over 40 years now, I've actually been paying attention to my nose and smells. Not only can I smell a skunk, I can be walking in the woods and smell that a fisher or fisher cat was through the night before, or the smell of a moose. A lot of our wildlife have smells, have fragrances that you can simply learn. And if you're hiking in the woods or mountain bike riding, have you ever stopped and actually got a smell of what's around you? I tell you, I know if I'm in a pine forest or a hemlock stand or an upland or a field. I mean, yeah, when your neighbor's mowed his lawn, you can smell the grass. We all are exposed to smells all the time, and most of you ignore them. But let me tell you, you can learn the sense of smells of so many things. I once said, if I was Rip Van Winkle and fell asleep for 50 years, I can tell you within the first or second breath of when I woke up, even with my eyes closed, I could at least tell you what month it was and maybe where I was. Everything has a fragrance. You just have to learn them. And tell you what, over the next months, I will teach you how you could learn the smell of a fisher or of a moose or how to pay attention to your nose. If you're enjoying the outdoors like I have my whole life, a biker or a hiker, and enjoy a walk in the woods, hey, use your nose. You just got to do it, but it's an important sense that you just have been overlooking. Pay attention to your nose and learn more about the outside.